Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're going to be making coleslaw. Now as a child I was not a big fan of coleslaw. I thought it was really bitter and it tasted really weird. But I actually fell in love with coleslaw in culinary school, and when I got out of culinary school I developed this recipe. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. We're going to start by working on the coleslaw dressing, and for that we are going to need 1/3 cup of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, 1/8 of a teaspoon of white pepper, 1/4 cup of whole milk, 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of buttermilk powder, 3 tablespoons of white vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And now this is very simple. All we're gonna do is combine all those ingredients together. We're gonna whisk them up till they are thoroughly combined and no longer lumpy. Our slaw dressing is done. We're gonna place this in the fridge and we're gonna see what else we need. And for the rest of our coleslaw, we are going to need 6 to 8 cups of cabbage sliced really thin, 1.5 cups of carrot shredded, and 2 tablespoons of green onion very thinly sliced. Now we're going to add all of our vegetables together. Our cabbage, our carrots, and our green onions, and get this thoroughly combined. Once all the vegetables are thoroughly combined, we're gonna add in all of our dressing and give it a toss till it's evenly coated. Our coleslaw is good to go. You can definitely dig into it now, but I like to wrap mine and cover it and let it sit in the fridge for up to 6 hours, so that way all the flavors really come together and marry, and I'm gonna do that and then we'll get a taste. Alright, let's get a bite. I love this coleslaw. It's rich, it's creamy, it's not too sweet, there's a nice sharpness from the onions. The cabbage is still crunchy, I'm not sure if you can hear that. This is just a fantastic coleslaw recipe that I really hope that you try. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. I also have an outdoor channel. If you're interested in that, I'll drop a link down in the description. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.